Incarcerated chairman of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference, Musarrat Alam Butt, has said that by holding the G20 meeting in occupied Kashmir, Narendra Modi-led fascist Indian government is attempting to hide its crimes in the territory. Musarrat Alam Butt, who is presently lodged in New Delhi's infamous Tihar jail, in a letter sent to the G20 members, wrote that India has planned to organize the G20 meeting in the UN-mandated disputed land of Jammu and Kashmir, which is under its military occupation for more than 7 decades. All parties Hurriyat Conference leaders have said that by holding the G20 meeting in occupied Kashmir, fascist Narendra Modi-led Bharatiya Janata Party government wants to mislead the world community about the prevailing grim situation of the territory. Illegally detained senior All Parties Hurriyat Conference leader Naeem Ahmed Khan, in a message sent from New Delhi's infamous Tihar jail, termed the Indian move as a deep-rooted conspiracy to deflect the world attention away from the real issue. All Parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir chapter leaders have said that India is trying to hoodwink the world community, particularly the G20 members, by portraying that all is well in the occupied Kashmir. All Parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir leader Mohammad Farooq Rahmani, in a statement in Islamabad, said it has always been noted and acknowledged by the members of the world body that Kashmir is a disputed territory and its future has remained unsettled since 1947. A court of India's dreaded National Investigation Agency has framed fake charges against 3 innocent Kashmiri civilians. The Court of Special Judge of NIA in Srinagar framed the charges against Umar Mushtaq Khan, Murtaza Rashid Dar and Sajjad Ahmad Dar. 97 fresh COVID-19 cases have been reported. 49 were reported from the Jammu region and 48 from the Kashmir Valley, taking the overall tally to 4,80,230. Fresh COVID cases were reported in Srinagar, Budgam, Kulgam, Baramulla, Ganderbal, Pulwama, Bandipora, Jammu, Samba, Udhampur, Kishtwar, Rajouri, Riasi, Poonch and Kathua districts. A protest demonstration was held in Muzaffarabad today against Narendra Modi-led fascist Indian government's attempts to change the demographic composition of the occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, a large number of people participated in the demonstration organized by Pasbane Hurriyat Jammu and Kashmir and chanted slogans against the Modi regime. At least 4 Indian Army personnel were killed in an attack in the Indian state of Punjab. At least 4 Indian soldiers were killed in a firing incident reported in the early hours of the Wednesday morning inside Indian military station in Bhatinda city of the Punjab.